Why hello there guys. Who doesn't love a bit of graft? Well, I've got to say, what? Welcome back Madventure fans. As promised in the last episode, it's time to fit the water tank. Wish me luck guys. And dolls. I've got myself in a tight spot here. I've got to get the water tank just below my feet here. Pipe through here. Back up through the chain locker, all being well. Up through the chain locker and out to the original water tank. Incoming spout. This will give me 50 litres and I can always add an extra tank to this area as well, so there's more scope for more water as well, so which is a bonus. And we're not having to scoot around water tanks on board then, so it makes much more sense. Hide it in a locker, it's out where we can pump it through to the tap. So I'm just going to crack on now and try and get this pipe through here ready for it. Wish me luck. One thing I've got to say is it's a bit dubious when you're drilling holes through a boat, especially when it's in the water. I won't say no more to that. I've just had to drill through. If you can see there, so I'll show you. Just drill through there. Drilled another one there. That's to a tap. Drill through that to the tap. Nice big chunky pipe, you can just about see on camera here, this pipe, and then that goes through there, which will then come up through there and hook up there to the inlet pipe, so crack on. Well guys, the good news is the tank's in, it's fitted, and I've just filled it up part way just to give me something to work with for now, and touch wood, there's no leaks at the minute, so I shouldn't say it at the minute, so we're just going to give it a try now. We'll see if the tap works, and then I'll take you through to what I've done. So here we go, here's the big reveal. Do 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 do. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Look at that, running water. Bobby Dazzler, absolutely fantastic. Can't believe it works, it works. So the pipe goes down there, through into here, the tank's in there, I don't know if you'll be able to see that because it's a bit dark. So the tank's in there, that shoots off through there, up through the anchor locker and arrives on deck. And there we have it, the full system. And I can also upgrade that as well, I can even add another same size to that locker. So at the minute it's 50 litres, we can double it to 100. So I'm going to leave you at that. Thank you for watching, and it's goodbye from me. Thank you for watching, we'll catch you next time on Madcat Sailing. Don't forget, like, subscribe and share with your mateys.